Okay, my review of the D3S Osram Cool Blue Burst bulb. Very white, not very yellow. Definitely a lot of usable light down the road. I don't think you can really call it a retrofit, but I retrofitted some OEM HIDs from, I guess, the optional headlights for a Volvo V60. And although the stock Osrams were adequate, it was kind of hard to differentiate what was ambient lighting in the road versus where your headlights were cutting off. Coming from an S2000 and an Acura TL with the ZKW replica lenses, I'm used to a sharper cutoff, but over the halogen bulbs in the bowl, yeah, this is pretty damn good. And it's very obvious where the lighting is coming from now. The fact that I'm lighting up the road, especially on a darker little area. So, took advantage of the Retrofit Sources Thanksgiving specials and coughed up more than I like to admit on a set of bulbs, but I've been doing this long enough to know that it does make a difference. I'll take the long way around just because it's a darker road, but that gives you a pretty good idea. Definitely tell where I'm illuminating. So I'm glad to say, in addition to the look, I wanted it to look a little bit more white rather than yellow. Even though normally you would lose some usable light by doing that, it's definitely not the case with these. So I would say that it was money well spent. Especially since I was able to figure out wiring some Morimoto relays in with some resistors, so I didn't have to cough up the money for a full-on retrofit. So overall, I'm extremely happy with the outcome. I really don't know how this car even came with the halogen option. Projector should be the standard in my opinion. Get the idea. Looks great going down the road. Definitely, you could probably talk yourself into spending the money as a safety feature. It definitely makes everything more obvious.